Okay, friends, today in math looks similar to yesterday in math, but today they're going to give you both the place value blocks and they're going to give you the standard form of a number. Today you need to decide if those standard forms match the place value blocks. If they match, you're going to say that it's true, and you're going to drag a baseball that says true. If it's false, you're going to drag a baseball that says false. So let me show you what I would do. You're going to have a place value number built for you, very much like this one. So I'm going to go ahead, like yesterday, I'm going to go ahead and label how many of each type of block I have. So for hundreds, I have 3 blocks. For my tens, I have only 2 blocks. And for my ones, I have 5 blocks. Now, if I put these 3 numbers together to make a standard form number, they should look like this, 325. That's the number represented by these place value blocks. Now, the number that is given to you today might look something like this. Like this one says 352. 325 and 352 are not the same. They could be easily confused, but in this case, this standard form would be false. So I would drag my false baseball to the baseball player on my screen. If the answer was 325 here, I could circle true. So let's try another one. Okay, let's pretend these are the blocks that you have, and this is the standard form given to you. Let's decide if this standard form is true or false. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 blocks. I have only 1 10 block, and I have 3 1 blocks. If I put this number together, it is 513. If I look at this standard form of the number that was given to me, it is also 513. So in this case, I would click on the baseball that says true. Not false, because this one is true. It is correct. Now, when you go to Seesaw, you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to tell me, are those numbers and blocks the same or not? Are they true or false?